Welcome back to channel everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can submit your MS form data to Excel sheet using Power Automate. In our previous video, we have talked about how you can create form using MS Form. If you haven't checked that video, I'll provide link in description. You can check out that video as well. But let's just focus on this particular video. To save our MS form data to Excel sheet, first of all, we need an Excel sheet to be stored into our O365 environment. That could be your OneDrive and that could be your SharePoint document library as well. In my case, I have saved that under my dev site in document library. So there is a two way to achieve this one. Let's just talk about the first one. If you want to create a form from scratch, so in that case, what you have to do is you have to create an Excel workbook and you can name it. I'm just naming it form data. And in the insert section, there is new form option. Once you click this one, you'll see that the form data is created. You can add a question here, anything you want to add. So just for testing, I'm adding a question. Which technology you like? So I'm saying SharePoint. It will provide me option as well. They'll stream, right? I'll just preview this one. And which technology do you like is, I'll select SharePoint. I'll click on submit. My form has been submitted. Now I'll go in my this form data. So the column has been created here automatically. Now you can see the data is there. So the ID is there, start time, completion time, email, and my name is there. And the questionnaire which we have created is one question only, and the response for that one is here. So this is the one way to achieve. And if we have created a form already like this one and want to save this form data to Excel sheet, so in that case, how we can do that using Power Automate, let's just talk about. I'll go in my Power Automate, try to create an instant flow, skip this step, name my flow as form to Excel, and connector is MS form. Trigger point will be when a new response is submitted. Pick a form ID. It will be a form name. So my form name is feedback form. This one. Next step is forms. Get response detail. Again, form ID will be feedback form, and the response ID will be list of response notifications response ID. Next step is Excel Online. Add a row into table. Select the location. In case your Excel is stored into your OneDrive, you can select this OneDrive for business. In my case, I have this SharePoint site dev. Under that, I have document library documents, and the file name which I have created is MS form data using flow, and the table is table 2. So one important thing is to notice when you go to your Excel workbook, this is the table I have created. So before going ahead, you have to create the table and provide a table name as well. So this is done. Now you can see that all these column name which we have created here is these are, and we have to map them with the response we received from here. So in the full name, we can provide your full name, contact number, your contact number, date of attendance will be your date of attendance, which training you attended, was it helpful, how likely, and preferred training time for future. So we have mapped all these column. Now save your flow. Right now there is no response. I'll go in my MS form and I'll type name. Contact number, you can provide anything. Date of attendance, select your answer for training you attended. Was it helpful? Yes. Select the rating and which training time do you prefer? Is this down? Evening time is good for me. So the ranking of evening is 1 and click on submit. Okay, so your response has been submitted. So we'll go in our flow and you can see 6 seconds ago our flow had succeeded. So now we'll check in our this one. You can see that we have the responses here. Likewise, we can submit one more. Okay, let me just go to preview, test, Power BI, no, 1 star, evening time, submit. Now you can see that we have another response here. So that's the way actually you can submit your MS form data to Excel sheet. I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, don't forget to subscribe, Learn and Tech. Thank you so much for watching.